Welcome to Pakistan.
Swat is a valley in the mountainous region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This modern-day district was a major center of early Buddhism under the ancient kingdom of Gandhara, due to which a strong presence of Buddhist culture influence exists in the region. Every single stone of Swat is a fascinating story in itself. A fairly large number of Buddhist sites, preserving stupas, monasteries, caves, rocks and inscriptions are scattered all over the Swat Valley.
Bhatkara, presently known as Kolkata, is located near the town of Mingwara in the left bank of Swat Valley. The main stupa stands in the middle, around it are crowded monuments. The Great Stupa gets renovations and extensions for several times. Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi Mosque is one of the oldest mosques in northern Pakistan. Discovered by the Italian Archaeological Mission in 1985, the mosque represents a splendid design of old Muslim architecture. The mosque follows the same basic pattern of mosque construction. The mihrabs is in the center of the west wall. The remaining area is paved in schist stone slabs having an ablution tank in the middle. The biggest complex of its kind in the region, with its architecture resembling to Kushan era, is Amlak Dara Stupa. The high stupa stand up prominently visible from the surrounding area. Naturally sheltered by the great Mount Alum, the stupa is raised on a magnificent square plinth with base molding in Taurus and Scotia pattern, measures 34 meters in diameter. The height of the square-shaped base plinth is about 4 meters. There are numerous monuments of Gandhara civilization in Pakistan. The purpose of the series Hidden Treasure of Pakistan was to explore some of the archaeological sites of Gandhara civilizations in Pakistan and to take you on a tour of some of the prominent places in Pakistan that are famous for the Gandhara civilization, including the Peshawar Museum, the Balama Stupa, the Mound of Bala Hisar, and now in the Swat Valley. We hope that by visiting these places you have learned a lot about the magnificent Buddhist civilization in Pakistan.